Jamaica Good Life. See, Indian there, I improve the thing for the children them at the seaside. So we're going to spotlight the general. The shop is there. And the man do it for the children, so now the children can swing.
For the kids.
And the seaside.
Yeah, we have theater for the kids. He must swing. No, car manager, near all of me actually. Not now, no. See our lesson on the tree the last night. When I look, I'll watch attack me that.
Yeah. Well, the whole place will look cleaner and the vibe and the energy.
Light up. I'm not feeling right. See him all the light posts. I want to see him clean I go. I want to dig the earth.
Oh, so it's steady.
Yeah, I want to dig around here and cut it off. Like it up the top right now. So I want to dig around here and cut it off and see it. Understand?
Okay. So everything, you as an artist, everything you see?
Everything we're ready for, man. You see all the tree them now, we'll put some big face on the tree. If we get the material and big like that, we can put some Bob Marley face on them. And just deploy them all over the tree. And some big like some big elephant and bull cow. You know what I mean? That's how I want to say this thing, you know what I mean? So when the cruise line in the park, them definitely go see it. And then most of the time they're on them binoculars. After time I lift from my binoculars and I look, I catch them and watch me.
Yeah?
Them I do the same thing what I do. Yeah, man, I'm ready to lift for the binoculars, man, and go and view, man.
Give them your number again.
Yeah, man, 366-5294.
So anybody want to come here build the theme park?
Yeah, man, I help give an idea.
So you had to buy the chain. How much a chain cost?
Yeah, man. You know, say, well, this chain, I don't really buy like going to the store.
But if you had to carry on put up more swing.
We get it from a friend on a good price still. You know what I mean? So, how many there again? How many?
Wow. A simple thing like this make the youth them happy.
Yeah, man.
All two of them can go up on it at once.
I know what amount of kids swimming at this since morning. A lot. Yeah, man, a lot of kids swimming, man.
Them need more swings in Jamaica.
Adult too. Adult. You know what I mean? Yeah, we need 2-3 more swing like this.
Yes,
we get all 2 more chain like this now that these stand.
Yeah.
See 3 over there for the arm and 3 there. Could have drop 1 over there, That way we cut over there.
Yeah.
One could have go over there. You know what I mean? 3 down there, they're close to the fence. You can't put on swing down there.
Yeah.
You know? So we have check time and do it.
You know, it'd be nice if them have a little turn thing or so, like a little manual merry-go-round.
Oh yeah, we can do it, man. We can come out and implement the idea. My mom will tell us to do a gym down this. Yeah, man, aim the shot. You don't study the shot.
So anybody, Indian is a martial artist, anybody want to help him to build the theme park for the kids?
Yeah, man, and build up a freestyle gym, you know what I mean? There's something like a monkey bar.
Yeah.
And you can do sit up, push up, pull ups, all sort of thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, you have to try to do that. I know we have theater for the kids.
So now that you put the zinc here recently, the man them feel comfortable a bit, play them domino.
Change up. I feel comfortable.
No rain can touch them.
No. I'm well comfortable. I love it, look.
So then put this in the middle and play them domino.
Yeah, man.
You got to extend it some more shelter.
Yeah, man. You see him this side, we go finish the shed on there and the building same way.
Yes.
I mean, so more shelter. And see the next umbrella out there, so we just wait for it to get all of the decorate all night. See that? That tree there. Yeah, man. I 2 times I start,
Yes.
Make a boutique, but I drop down my done, man. Make a carving set, Yeah, man.
Boy, you see, dreaming is the greatest thing,
One time maybe when I come, you're going to see me in my carving kit, a picture of a mermaid or something. I love carving.
So tell them about your art history. How did you start?
Okay.
How did you learn art?
Yeah, man, sir. From small, to elder always they around with the artwork and things, I will always admire them, So that kind of grew in me, but I never really take it up at that time. I want to see some little youth, like schoolers, you do that, you know, it kind of inspire me to start do it, you know, because see some little youth do it, you know. School themselves, close themselves, and then sit and say, that kind of inspire you to do it, you know. Yeah, man, so some really get into the art, you know. Yeah, man.
How old are you now?
Here. About 40, or 48 now.
And your philosophy on life, what keep you firm? What is your...
Yeah, man, you know, so what keep me firm is, you know, my lifestyle, you know. Like when I do, I love martial art and exercise, you know what I mean? That keep you healthy and
So you exercise every morning? Still? Or you do?
Yeah, we do like simple thing, like we do some press up, you know what I mean? Because sometimes a requirement at the time. So that is why I really want to do the freestyle gym there. So instead we'll coordinate a day or 2 days or 3 days a week where we definitely do workout. You know what I mean? Yeah, so right now we don't really do nothing right now. You know what I mean? Like night time, you know, pull up on the shop, door facing, on the metal there, you know, I do like pull-ups there and take push up around the shop. You know, we always do that routine because you have to stay physical, you know. You get a bounce and you can bounce back, you know what I mean? Yeah,
so you have to go put up a bar, man, so when I come here, nothing.
So I really need some more materials, more than around metal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The pipe them, put up the farm.
Are the best because the breeze are coming.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
nice and easy. I mean, the life where you live, you're so normal,
cool, you know what I mean?
So you know, I'll get a youth to start paint up some artwork on the side.
Yeah, you know, so I have virgin like that already.
Yeah.
It's just we don't reach there yet, because, you know what I mean? Stage job by stage.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, just like the building, you can't really paint the building yet until you go through certain phase like the welding and the building first.
Got it. Kind of well everything yet.
Yeah, everything not complete. So after that completion, we can start the weather and painting. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, and drop after that, we put on the metal. Just use the color. I know some people tell me like you can use this color, red, green and gold. Most of the color was nice, you know?
Yeah.
Red, green and gold.
Yeah, man.
So now think how you can do it all. Now the top off, the whole light now green and that color light, you know what I mean? Top off nice green and gold, and the bottom I sea floor. I mean, sea floor is the turtle, sea cow, shark, various things, swim around, you know what I mean? Just think about the bottom and I see well, you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's like a big aquarium.
Yeah. Give them your number again.
336 5294.
All right, people, artists and big men and women, if you want to see the vision for improve Jamaica, these men are improving. We got the tent, you know. We get the tent now for them, and we get the TV. So now the history. Them I watch the history, you know. Them already start the bad man. Them start slow down now. Cause them head increase.
Sure.
So I'm so proud because I come here. And the level, some of them never really want to watch it. And when it sink in,
man, I touch them, hey, look there. You know, so you know, so knock you, man.
I'm so excited because we are hit brain now.
Yes, man. Yeah,
I want to start hit brain.
Yeah, because we don't really can get a man on board. We're really stubborn like that. I mean, yeah, it's good. No? Yeah, man.
So that is the goal here. Eh? Yeah. And we do a good job. Yeah, we do a good job.
Yeah, man. Every week you see a different. Maybe the
I mean, even the
come.
swing, you know, that's a big thing.
Yeah, man, it improves. Alright, you see, beyond the swing now, you know, in the tree, you know, like the attic, you know, I'm going to do a VIP up there. That's in my head for years. Years that I plan in my head to do that.
Oh, this is the lookout.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
A ladder.
Yes. Oh boy, we go have a platform, we go have a booth up there. You know what I mean? Like a 4x8 booth or something like that.
Music really studio up there.
We got a monitor box up there, man.
Yes.
And a low profile.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
A treehouse. Yes. Yeah. If you ever make a treehouse, a man, I lie down. I said, wow.
Yeah, man,
Can remember saying some hammock board position.
I'll make court.
You see right up, put some more board and lay at all 5 hammock.
Yeah, man. Court and build, so the court and build hammock, you know, so.
And build it from scratch?
Yeah, or some rope, you know, rope you want to build it.
So wait there, if Courtney gets rope, Courtney can build a hammock?
Yeah, and build in a tree color.
Oh Lord,
so about the tree color rope.
You don't look like
yesterday I tell someone.
you look like you know I'm a steer yourself to blouse and skirt. Can I do this?
Yeah, I might do it. So this I literally hammock same.
Yeah.
See it's hammock. I see him diamond cut. So
Yo.
and if him by the time he get the rope, you know, we have hammock 3, 4, 5, 6.
Boom.
6. Yeah, you come here, you want to relax.
Yes,
you just kick back in the hammock.
You rent it?
Yeah, you can
You
go
rent
up in the
it.
attic that
You
up.
rent it.
You have a step and you go up in the attic.
Boom.
Free from all
Boom.
people
Ladder.
and pay. You know
Hold
what I mean?
on.
Yeah, man.
Sign non-disclosure.
This, so move this car.
So now what would this is beautiful though still.
Yeah,
And resources.
But you know really fit in this spot, right? At this
Not
moment.
the spots. But
Yeah.
but you can put a board on it and do something.
Yeah. You know, fit
You know what would be nice? You see if you put a fish tank in it and leave it as is and put it over so under some fish. Cause no
Good
fish tank
idea.
no out there, so you have
Good
fisherman
idea,
place, there's
good
no
idea,
fish
good
tank.
idea.
You see what me I say?
Good idea with a fish tank.
You need to find a man who can seal the glass and build it for you.
Yes, man. Yeah, let me know. You know, me have got- get over there, man. Mash up here. Mash up here. See me them, you know. More change the rope and put them up there.
If you have to paint them.
Solid, yeah. Solid some. I don't want them to see us on.
Oh, a long time you have them there, sir.
Huh?
A long
For
time you
last
have
year.
them.
Last year, I had them there, but...
Yeah man, you see if you have a fish tank and put all a shark in there and people come look for the shark and
Yeah,
you know
man,
me I
yeah,
say?
man, you know, sir. Wait, I want to shot me, I look on so close.
I remember saying in Jamaica there's no outside fish tank.
No,
None.
at all. Me not see
The kids
none.
them can't come
Me
and
not
say,
see
Daddy,
none. Me not
look
see
on that
none.
big shark, look on that stingray there. And then they right over there, sir.
This thing, this is take, see him out and do out, the dump up, out of Aquasal, you know, I'm in the park. We can't, I'm a call it, we
Soon come.
we have a own natural idea.
Yeah.
Different from this park.